Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's a new month and I certainly hope that you made a lot of money in August, and I certainly pray that you make lots of money in September. So let's talk about a question that I usually also encounter on this channel: how to avoid bad entries, how to avoid bad trades, especially when it comes to volatile markets. When the market is moving, everyone is tempted to want to jump into the market and probably get a piece of the pie, and usually things don't go according to how they would have envisioned it. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about a simple trick that you can use to avoid getting caught out in wrong trades, in bad trades, in bad entries. Okay. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. Like the video. I'm not going to charge you anything. You don't pay anything on this channel. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. Everything that you might want to download, courses, robots, indicators, everything in the links in the description box below. So the least that you can do for us is just to like the video. The broker that I use, the broker that I'm looking at, many people also always ask me. The link is in the description box below. One of the best brokers in the world, award winning, and I've been them for more than 5 years now, and I've not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. So I believe they can give you some good value as well. One of their best offers is with just $5 you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test your robots, your strategies, everything without putting too much capital on the line. Then if your robot is making money, for example, then you can always add more capital to it. So let's get back to our video. So here's a problem that I've seen many people encounter when they are trading, and they wonder what's happening, why are they suddenly losing money, what's wrong with them, and things like that. And then they start looking around for holy grail systems, holy grail strategies and stuff, because sometimes it's not the strategy, sometimes it's just you. What am I talking about? To avoid bad entries, to avoid bad entries and bad trades, actually starts with a very simple rule. Very simple rule. What is that? Now, when you are in the markets and you spot an opportunity, especially if you are looking at candles, if you are looking at candles, never ever enter a trade when the candle is still open like this. Do you know what many people will do in this situation? They will jump in and sell. That's what people do in this situation. Let's do this. Let's just place a line there. It'll be, they would sell. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Most of the time it doesn't. Why? Because the move has already happened. So what usually happens is somebody sees this big candle. They're like, oh, it's going down, it's going down. Let me jump in and sell. Then they sell where I placed my green line there. What happens with the next candle? The next candle often starts here and it shoots up. And the person is caught on the wrong side of the market. What you want to do regarding candles is always wait for the candle that you are looking at to close. We're just looking at our candle there. If you had placed a sell there, you would have been sweating now and panicking, because it's now no longer going what? Your way. This is how people are taking bad trades. It's a simple thing. A simple thing. This is how people are taking bad trades. Here, you don't sell. You think that it's probably going to sell, and when you open your market, there was this candle. Leave the candle to close. If it's a buy candle, leave the buy candle to close, then decide afterwards. And it's true whether you are trading with 15-minute time frame. If you are trading on the 15-minute time frame and you see your setup on the 15-minute time frame, you need to let that 15-minute time frame candle close. If you are trading on the 1 hour, this 1 hour candle must close before you decide on what to do next. If you are trading on the 4 hourly, this 4 hourly candle must close before you decide on whether you want to buy or whether you want to sell. That's a simple thing that I promise you, if you implement in your own trading, you start to see a change in the way you enter the market, in the way you like your profit ratio, your win ratio in the market. Wait for the candle to close. If you say you trade using the daily time frame, you must certainly wait for this daily candle to close before you decide on whether the market is going to break through and go down or it's going to push up. You get the sense? Whatever candle that or whatever time frame that you are trading, the candle must close before you make a decision. Unfortunately, my line is disappeared, I think, or has gone somewhere. Yeah, definitely has disappeared. But our sell, I think, was somewhere here, and you start seeing somebody sweating because now what? Price is moving against them. The trade is moving against them. What you could have done in this scenario is definitely simply wait for the candle to close before you decide whether you want to sell on the next candle or whether you want to buy. In this situation, this is where we had our line somewhere there. With our line somewhere there, unfortunately, it's disappeared. Definitely, in this situation, we still have some 8 minutes on the candle. Somebody would be sweating, especially if you are trading smaller time frames. You'll be sweating now because you probably thought you were going to quickly scalp this, so you end up with a sizable lot size, and then you start sweating. But the one thing that you could have done to save yourself pain is to just let this candle close. So always, always, always don't enter trades on open candles, especially if that candle has been open for a very long time. Especially if that candle has been open for a very long time, don't enter, don't try to risk it. Wait for the candle that you are looking at, that you believe is your signal candle. Let it close, then decide afterward whether you still want to take the trade or you don't. That is going to, I promise you, improve your entries and improve your trading. That's just one tip that I just had to share with you guys today. Like the video, subscribe for more videos. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know